Hi there, and welcome to the Content Hub's Top 10s. Today we will be looking at the top 10 facts about Twitter. 10. Twitter is a social media platform for sharing short messages, called tweets, with a limit of 280 characters. Twitter allows users to share their thoughts, updates, and content with their followers in real time. The platform has become known for its fast-paced and conversational nature. 9. Twitter was founded in 2006 and has since become one of the largest and most influential social media platforms, with over 330 million monthly active users. Twitter has had a significant impact on the way people communicate, consume news, and participate in public discourse. 8. Twitter allows users to follow others, engage in conversations through tweets and retweets, and share a variety of content such as text, photos, videos, and links. The platform provides users with a simple and accessible way to connect with others and share information. 7. Twitter is used for a variety of purposes, including personal expression, networking, promoting products and services, and following current events. Twitter has become a hub for diverse communities, including hobbyists, activists, journalists, and businesses. 6. Twitter has become a powerful tool for activism and social change, with hashtags serving as a way for people to organize and amplify their voices. Hashtags such as hashtag Black Lives Matter and hashtag MeToo have helped to bring attention to important social and political issues. 5. Twitter is a popular platform for public figures, including politicians, celebrities, and journalists, to share their thoughts and engage with their audience. Twitter has provided a direct line of communication between public figures and the general public, leading to increased transparency and accountability. 4. Twitter has also become a source of breaking news and live events, as events unfold in real time on the platform. Twitter has become a valuable source of information for journalists and news organizations, as well as a platform for eyewitness accounts and real-time updates. 3. Twitter has a reputation for being a fast-paced and unpredictable platform, with trending topics and viral tweets changing frequently. This dynamic nature of Twitter has made it a unique and exciting platform for users to follow and participate in. 2. Twitter has a variety of features, including verified accounts, moments, and lists, that help users navigate and curate the platform. These features provide users with tools to enhance their Twitter experience and help them stay informed and connected. 1. Twitter continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs and demands of its users, making it a dynamic and constantly changing platform. Twitter is constantly experimenting with new features and improvements, ensuring that it remains relevant and useful to its users. What do you think? Leave your comments below. Like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.